To send Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet, start by logging into your Coinbase account and navigating to the dashboard. From here, click on the Send and Receive button and then select the Send tab. Choose Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to send and enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. You can obtain the recipient's Bitcoin address by asking them to share it with you or by scanning the QR code associated with their wallet. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, taking into account the minimum and maximum send limits. You will also need to choose a transaction fee, with higher fees resulting in faster transaction processing times. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin being sent. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction and wait for the Bitcoin network to process it. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the fee you chose and the current network congestion. It is essential to double-check the recipient's Bitcoin address to avoid sending Bitcoin to the wrong wallet, as transactions on the Bitcoin network are irreversible. Additionally, be aware of the transaction fees associated with sending Bitcoin, as they can vary depending on the network conditions. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely send Bitcoin from your Coinbase account to another wallet. Remember to always prioritize security and verify the recipient's information before initiating a transaction.